Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse, and in the kitchen today I have the EVO820 cold press juicer. I'm going to do a masterclass and show you exactly what we can make using the cold press juicer. There's a couple of different accessories that can be purchased with this juicer. There's the standard juice strainer, which we're going to use to make some juice, cold pressed of course, but you can also get a smoothie strainer, which allows us to make a smoothie in a cold press juicer. And the other strainer is a sorbet strainer. So we want to be able to make some beautiful frozen fresh sorbet or some ice cream, yes, using the juicer. And I've also got a citrus attachment. So I'm going to show you how we can use all those extra accessories today. Now let me tell you what we're going to be making today. The first recipe I'm going to be making is a blueberry and mint ice cream. Yes, ice cream in the cold press juicer. We're then going to make a pecan chocolate milkshake. I know you're going to really love that recipe. Making a milkshake in your cold press juicer, who would have thought of that? Then we're going to switch it up and we're going to make some a smoothie, a green energy smoothie. And then the last thing I want to make for you guys is a pear necessities, a pear juice from my book, The Juice Chef. I know that one's a little bit different and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let me tell you a little bit before we get started. The reason we're doing these masterclasses in the Kuvings kitchen is we want to inspire you to get your juicer out the cupboard and start making more juice because of the health benefits that you get when you're using your juicer. Because it doesn't matter if you have a Kuvings cold press juicer, if you have this model or any other of our models in the range, or even if you don't have a Kuvings juicer, get your juicer out and start using it, because look at all this beautiful produce here. All of this, what I call Mother Nature's medicines. You know, when we drink more of the juice of the plants, it turns what would normally be sitting down and eating kale. You're probably not going to sit down and just chew on a whole bunch of kale. But when you've got a cold press juicer, you can juice the whole bunch and extract that beautiful liquid nutrition. And much better for you guys to have the healthy, nature-made nutrition rather than pills and capsules and tablets. Wouldn't you agree? Because have you ever done this experiment? Let me go back. Now, some of you might remember from when you were kids, and you might have to ask your parents or your grandparents this one, but the carrot. Right? Did you ever do this experiment at school where you cut a little slice of carrot and you put it onto a plate with some cotton wool bud and a little bit of water, and you put it on your windowsill and let the light and the water bring the carrot back to life? It would start growing again. That's because fruits and vegetables are still living. They're still alive. And we want that living life force energy into our bodies when we eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. And for me, guys, using a juicer, using a cold press juicer is the best way I know to get more living nutrition into your body.